Let's see. It is 11:15 or so. It has gotten overcast. There have been periods of sun and clouds. It's drizzling now. Looking at the pond, I don't know if you can see that. It may be too far away. But looking at the pond, I can see drops falling, and I've heard thunder. So I think we are going to get a little weather here. I am under the tarp, and I'm just catching up on my journaling, kind of waiting for the rain to come. So, which it's getting darker, so I think it's just a matter of time. So I am going to tighten up the tarp and get ready. Not even 30 seconds after I said that, the rain intensified. Now it's coming down. I did tighten up the tarp a little bit. The wind seems to be picking up a bit. And now it is pouring rain. I'm going to go grab the stove. The tops of the trees are blowing around. Yeah, there are sheets of rain coming. And the wind is blowing. See if I can show you this. Yeah, when it rains here, it really rains. I don't know how well you can see this. Pouring off the hammock. My pants are getting a little wet. Let's move you back. I'm going to move in a little bit. A lot of space here, it's not getting used. So on the edge here. Shift everything down a little bit in the tarp. pretty much steady rain here for close to an hour. So I am just under the tarp working on my journaling. Pretty overcast from what I can see, so it doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon, and it's pretty steady rain, so it's not like I'm going to do anything else around in camp. I do have a book that I want to read, so I'm going to do some reading, and hopefully the forecast holds. I'm going to check it again. The moon is calling. So hopefully the forecast holds, and then tomorrow is nice and I can explore the ponds more. If it clears up later today, I am going to paddle this little bay here and check out the other campsites. And that way, tomorrow I just do the far end of the ponds. May also paddle by those camps today. It's been pretty quiet over at the camps, so I'm thinking maybe people left. I did see one truck, look like a contractor's truck, leaving on the road there, going across the bridge. But I haven't heard anything from the camp that had the party, although they could be indoors today because it's raining. And I haven't really heard much of anything else from the other camp that's on this pond. So it's been pretty quiet. So we're going to have a little snack here. Just boiled some water. We have some Ovaltine. It's pretty much stopped raining now, and it's starting to brighten up. So things are looking better. We should be able to, in a little while, yeah, the sun's really peeking out here. In a little while, we should be able to, take paddle around the bay. Yeah. The loon was calling before. So maybe the showers are gone for now. So I'm going to have a snack. I got a turkey stick, some dried fruit, and some cheese. And before I was trying out a new snack, crispy crunchy okra from Trader Joe's. Really good. And so I'm slowly but surely trying to stay on my diet while I'm camping, and so far it's starting to work out. So hopefully I can continue to do that. So I've been doing some journaling. I'm going to finish up the journaling, do a little reading, let things clear, and then head out on the paddle. Everything got pretty well wet. It rained pretty steady for more than an hour. So hopefully this is the clearing, and I'm able to head out and do a little paddling. I'm looking at the pond, and there's still drops falling, so it's still raining very lightly now. Okay, so that's it for now.